Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to cook the bitter gourd with chicken. As you all know, most of the kids do not eat the bitter gourd due to its bitterness. So in this recipe I'm going to tell you how to remove that bitterness. If you are going to follow the same recipe, I'm sure your kids are going to love it and they will ask for more. Before moving on to the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they are uploaded. And do share it with your family and friends. Moving on to the recipe, I have taken 330 gram of bitter gourd. I have peeled it. Make a slit in the center and take out the seeds. After taking out the seeds, just cut them into thin slices. Now I will tell you how to remove the bitterness of the bitter gourd. First of all, I am to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. After adding all these ingredients, just mix it very well. Now you have to mix it while pressing it with your hand, as the salt will make the bitter gourd leave its juices. Mix and squeeze. Mix and squeeze. Now I'm going to leave it aside until I'm done with the gravy. In a cooking pot or a wok, just take 60 ml of cooking oil. Add to it onion 3 medium sized. I have sliced them. I'm going to add it to the cooking oil. Stir fry it on medium-low flame until it gets brown in color. We need the light brown color. We are done with the onion. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and stir fry it for about a minute. Now the ginger garlic is sauteed with the onion. I'm going to add 1 medium to large chopped onion with 1 medium sized green chili. Mix and stir fry it on medium-low flame for about a minute. Then we will be adding the spices. Add salt according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we are done with the spices. I'm not going to add any other spice, as I have already added the green chili, so I'm not going to use the red chili as well. Now you can see the oil has separated. Now I'm going to add 350 gram of chicken. Just mix it with the gravy. After mixing the chicken really well, I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's move on to the bitter gourd. I'm going to squeeze the juices out of the bitter gourd by just squeezing it with my hand. After squeezing it for about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to take it out in a bowl. Before taking out into the bowl, just take some bitter gourd into your hand, press it, take out all the juices and keep it aside in a bowl. I hope you have seen the previous recipes as well. If not, do visit the channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Watch the recipes, do try them and tell us in comments how they came out. And if you like the video, do share it with your family and friends. Now I'm done with squeezing the bitter gourd juices out. I'm going to take some clean water and add the bitter gourd that we have already squeezed into the water. Again, I'm going to squeeze the bitter gourd and take them out in the bowl. You can see I have taken some of the bitter gourd in my hand. I have squeezed it. Squeeze as much as you can. And they are ready to be used. Now our chicken has cooked, the oil has almost separated. I'm going to give it a mix and later on I'm going to add the bitter gourd to it. Mix the bitter gourd in the gravy really well. After mixing it, cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the oil has separated. Don't forget to mix in between. Now the oil has almost separated. I am going to stir it. Now just cook it for 1 more minute while stirring it. And then add the freshly chopped coriander leaves to it. If you want, you can add the green chilies as well. Just give it a good mix after adding the coriander leaves, and our chicken with bitter gourd is ready to be served. I'm sure your family is going to love it, especially the kids. They will ask for more. If you like the recipe, do share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they're uploaded. Enjoy! Thank you!